This is a voiced consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the words back and bag, in the middle of the words hobby and habit, at the end of the word job, and at the beginning and end of the word bob. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Back, bag, hobby, habit, job, bob. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between this voiced sound and its voiceless partner, the one that you can hear at the beginning of the word pack. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiced sound first. Back, pack, bear, pear, cab, cap, symbol, simple. Could you hear the difference? Now let's look at the difference. Watch this. Back, pack, bear, pear, cab, cap, symbol, simple. Look again. Back, pack. With the voiceless sound, there's a big puff of air. You can feel it with your hands. Back, pack. Now let's try the words again. Listen carefully and repeat. Back, pack, bear, pear, cab, cap, symbol, simple. Okay.